Hey guys, it's Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have an unboxing to do. So there's this huge package over here which was delivered about a few days ago, and I got a new bag, so I thought of doing this reveal unboxing with you guys. So if you're interested to see what I got, do stay tuned. Okay, so I've already opened the box because the box is just huge and I didn't want to stumble and look uncool and unglamorous trying to open this box. So this is the bag that I got. This is the second bag that I got from Ainifeel. So the first one, if you guys remembered, I got the Birkin-inspired in size 35cm. And what happened was I really liked the bag and I did a couple of videos on it. But what happened was the bag was just too huge and I realized that I didn't get much use out of it. So I decided that, you know what, I think what I need was a smaller size. So if you can see from the exterior, I literally got the same design, so it's another Birkin-inspired, but I got it in a smaller size. So this is the size 30cm and it came packed like this. So I got the same color. I got the taupe with pink lining, which I really like. Basically, I was just very happy because I ordered it on Amazon and it was supposed to be delivered like 4 weeks time. But surprise, it came a week earlier, so I was really caught off guard and I was really excited to see it. So I actually did take a pic. So if you can see, it's not nicely wrapped because I just covered it back again. But I just wanted to also show you guys how it came wrapped. And I'm very happy that it came in this huge box because I didn't want the bag to be smushed. So when I saw it like this, I knew that the bag was fine. So thank God for that. So I'm just gonna show you guys how it was packed. So basically it came packed in this plastic, and let me just try to, and as usual it comes with this thin dust bag which says Ainifeel in front. So it comes with a few cardboards front and back just to keep the bag sturdy, I suppose. And there's another dust bag. So this is the bag that I got. So I would call this video Ainifeel version 2.0 because essentially it's the same bag, it's just that it's a different size, and I like the size. I think it's just nice, it's not too small. So this is the 30cm Birkin-inspired Ainifeel bag, which comes with the silver hardware and a pink lining. I'll show you the pink lining later. It's exactly the same like the 35cm. I wish I still had that bag to do a comparison, but unfortunately I've already sold it away. So let's just go through the bag. So it is exactly how I had it before. So it comes with the silver hardware, and over here it's all there's tape on it, so that's good, and they covered this. So it comes with a twist lock, and then this is pretty much how you open the bag. It's very tight. Okay, so you open it that way and flip it up. Oh, before I get there, it has the 4 feet, which is good. So if you just put it on the table or on the floor, it's not going to touch the ground. And it comes with this Ainifeel tag, which has the maintenance instructions on how to keep the bag clean. And it also has a so-called certificate which says the brand name, it's made from cow leather, and it's in the color taupe, and it came from China. So yeah, and at the back you have this. So stitching is very nice. The stitching is really even. The bag is sturdy. It has a very strong leather plasticky smell, which I think if I were to air it, it should be fine. And the top, I don't know what you call this thing. It's really nicely made. I remembered my 35cm, a bit of this started to come off. I think it was the glue, so it started to peel off, but it was still okay. It didn't totally come off. And this one looks perfect. This looks beautiful. The handles are covered by this plastic, which, let me see if oh, okay. The handles look really nice. It's not smushed at all. And yeah, everything looks pretty good. I'm very happy about it. Okay, so let's open up the bag. So as you know, you've got to flip this up like this, and then you'll have to open it this way. So it comes in the pink lining, so the bag is stuffed. Just remove that, and it has, oh yeah, I forgot about the twillies. So it comes with this 2 free twillies, which the design I'm not really too keen for, so I doubt I'll be using those. And it also has the clochette as well as the padlock. So this clochette, you're supposed to fix it onto the bag, and the padlock is here, and you have the key over here, so it comes like that. So I think it's, I don't know, I might use this just to hang it off over there. Well, we'll see. Okay, and it has a few silica gels inside. It has one zippered compartment, which the zip is really good. This bag does not have the logo outside, which some of the other Ainifeel bags apparently have, and people have been trying to remove the logo over here. So maybe they heard, you know, people's complaint and then, or feedback rather, and they did not put the logo here, but instead they have the logo inside here, if you can see. But if you can also see, the logo is not centralized on the zipper, which is pretty annoying. I don't know, I might remove, oh no, I can't remove it because it's using one stitch. Oh, that sucks. Okay, anyway, so that's the bag, and this is the bag opened, and it looks like that. The sides, the back, the other side, and the bottom. So I'm happy with the bag. I think it's a nice size just for me to wear it every day, or for me to wear it out. The initial bag that I got in size 35, I actually wanted to use that as a document bag, but it fits my laptop, so I thought it was pretty useful to have that. But unfortunately, I am not working, so I didn't have much use for it. But I think this size would be just nice, and I really like the color. I think the color is so neutral, and it would match with any outfit that I'm wearing. So anyway, that's all I have for today's video. If you have any questions or comments about this bag or anything else, do leave them down below. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up, do subscribe. It'll be nice if you guys do, you know, I always appreciate it. So yeah, till next time, bye.